Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electrodrive News, where we bring you the latest on electric cars and sustainable living. Today, we're talking about a British businessman who's caught attention for all the wrong reasons. Tony Knox, a 62-year-old businessman, has sparked outrage in his neighborhood after ripping down a fence outside his £600,000 Georgian townhouse to build a parking space for an electric car he doesn't even own yet. That's right, folks. This guy wanted to charge his Aston Martin from home, but didn't bother getting planning permission first. Now we know what you're thinking. Who cares about some guy's car? But here's the thing. Knox was planning to park his £200,000 Aston Martin in that very parking space while he waits for the electric motor he's yet to buy. And get this, he thought it wouldn't be a problem since there aren't any charging points available on the street. But as we all know, ignorance is bliss. Or in this case, ignorance is not planning permission. Knox's neighbors weren't too thrilled about his decision and even went so far as to call it an eyesore. I mean, can you blame them? Parking a car at the front of a beautiful Georgian townhouse just doesn't seem right. The council got wind of this and refused Knox's retrospective application for planning permission. They said that approving his alterations would be at odds with the prevailing character of the area. And let me tell you, I agree with the council on this one. It's all about preserving the charm of these historic homes. But what really caught my attention was when Knox claimed that most of his neighbors were supportive, but it was just one or two who complained. Now, I'm not sure if Knox is trying to downplay the situation or what, but it seems like he didn't exactly get the neighborhood's seal of approval on this one. The bottom line is, planning permission is in place for a reason. If you want to make changes to your property, you need to go through the proper channels and get approval from the council. It's not about being in keeping with the rest of the street. It's about respecting the community and preserving our heritage. In conclusion, Tony Knox's parking space debacle is a great reminder that we all have to follow the rules when it comes to our properties. And if you're thinking of making some changes, make sure to get permission first. Your neighbors and the council will thank you. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Electrodrive News.